Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Davinci Resolve. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is import a video into my media pool. So I'm just going to drag and drop this video of Northern Lights into my media pool, and then I'm going to drag it onto the timeline. Okay, so here we have our Northern Lights in a wide format. Now, we're going to open Project Settings, which is this cogwheel button in the lower right corner. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on that. Now, this is the Davinci Resolve's Project Settings window. All you have to do is go to the top part here. To change aspect ratio to a preset, just select one from this drop-down. However, for this tutorial, I'm just going to create a mobile view, which is the vertical portrait view, by swapping the default width and height of the video. So you see how I have 1920 by 1080? I'm going to copy that, and here I'm going to type 1080, the value from the second box, and paste the first value into the second input field. Now scroll down to the save button, click on the save button. Okay, and as you can see, this is how you change aspect ratio in Davinci Resolve 18.